What is the connection between the oil industry and ocean pollution?
The connection between oil industries and ocean pollution is that oil industries are the ones who pollute our rivers and oceans. Usually their waste ends up in underwater ecosystems, and the underwater organisms are the ones getting affected. Also, people who swim in our oceans may also be getting in danger for all the pollution.
Many different types of rivers in Colombia going through their own problems. Rio Bogotá, Rio Cauca, and Rio Medellin are going through an oil crisis. They are being filled up with oils thrown away by big companies who produce plastics and other substances we use on our daily basis. Another river that's going through the same thing is a river in India, which is surrounded by a community who only depends on it. They shower, clean their clothes, and do everything with that river. And that river not only has oils that can damage and possibly kill the citizens, they also have radioactive material. And all of them are spilled by the big companies, producing our plastics and our chairs and everything.
The oil industry has two particular processes of cracking methods. One of these is called cracking. Cracking allows long-chain hydrocarbon molecules to be broken down into short-chain, more useful hydrocarbon molecules. Fractions containing large hydrocarbon molecules are heated to vaporize them. They are then heated to 600 to 700 Celsius, passed over a catalyst of silica or aluminium. Cracking produces small alkenes and alkanes. An example of this process is cracking of decane. We have a long-chain hydrocarbon of decane, which the product will be an ethane hydrocarbon with an unknown alkane. All we have to do is work out how many carbons and hydrogen atoms our unknown alkane must have. To do this, we just take away the number of carbons and hydrogens from our known product, which is ethane, away from the reactant, which is decane, and whatever is left is the number of carbons and hydrogen atoms our unknown alkane must have. So 10 minus 2 carbons means that our alkane must have 8 carbons, and 22 minus 4 hydrogen atoms means our alkane must have 18 hydrogen atoms. So this formula is CH818, and we just write that into our equation.
Another cracking method is the polymerization. A polymer is a substance of high relative formula mass made up of small repeating units. Polyethylene is a polymer made from many ethene molecules combined together. The reaction is called a polymerization reaction. Ethene is a monomer. Polyethylene is the polymer. The carbon-carbon double bond in ethene is involved in the polymerization reaction. It allows ethene molecules to join together to form a single bond, so it is an example of an addition reaction. Polyethylene is the addition polymer. Here is an ethene molecule in a row, and on the high pressure, the double bonds break, forming single bonds attaching each molecule, forming a long-chain polymer. To write the equation, we use repeating units to model addition polymerization reactions. The letter N stands for a large number. In general, N, parentheses, the monomer, produces repeating units times N. For polyethylene, the polymer is C2H4 times N.